What if this Ramadan could completely transform your English? What if after 30 days of fasting, you also become more confident, more fluent, and more powerful in English? Most people wait for the perfect time to improve their English, but Ramadan is the perfect time. Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. May this blessed month bring peace, strength, and success into your life. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Audiobook. I am your teacher, and today I will show you how you can improve your English easily during Ramadan, without stress, without pressure. This month is not only about fasting, it is about discipline, it is about growth, it is about becoming a better version of yourself, and that includes your English. Let's begin. Why Ramadan is the best time to improve English. Ramadan teaches you self-control. You wake up early for suhoor. You control your hunger. You control your emotions. You control your time. If you can control your hunger for 14 hours, you can control your fear of speaking English. During Ramadan, your heart becomes softer, your mind becomes calmer, your focus becomes stronger. This is the perfect condition for learning. Instead of scrolling on your phone after Iftar, instead of wasting 1 hour on social media, give just 20 minutes to English. 20 minutes daily for 30 days can change your confidence forever. Remember this, small daily improvement is better than one big effort. Simple daily Ramadan English routine. Let me give you a very simple routine. You don't need books. You don't need expensive courses. You only need consistency. Before Iftar, 10 minutes listening and speaking. Before Iftar, your mind is quiet. Use that time wisely. Listen to 5 minutes of English audio. Then repeat what you hear. For example, say, "This Ramadan, I am improving myself. I am patient. I am disciplined. My English improves every day." Repeat each sentence 5 times. This technique is called shadowing. It improves pronunciation and fluency. After Taraweeh, 10 minutes writing. After prayer, your heart feels peaceful. Now take your phone or notebook. Write 5 simple sentences about your day. For example, today I felt tired but grateful. I practiced patience. I helped someone. I am proud of my progress. Writing improves thinking. Thinking improves speaking. Do this daily for 30 days. You will see the difference. 5 easy English tips during Ramadan. Now let me give you 5 powerful tips. 1. Think in English. When you feel hungry, say in your mind, "I am fasting. I am strong. I am patient." Train your brain to think in English. 2. Use English in your dua. Sometimes make dua in simple English. "Oh Allah, give me confidence. Help me improve my English. Make me successful." When emotion connects with language, you remember it faster. 3. Learn Ramadan vocabulary. Learn words like fasting, gratitude, charity, blessings, forgiveness, discipline, patience, reflection. Use them in sentences daily. Example, Ramadan teaches patience. Charity brings blessings. 4. Record yourself. Every 3 days, record yourself speaking for 2 minutes. Talk about your fasting experience, your goals, your feelings. When you listen again after 1 week, you will notice improvement. 5. Remove fear completely. This is very important. Many learners feel shy. Many learners feel embarrassed. But remember, fluency comes from mistakes. If you never speak, you never improve. Be brave. Build confidence like a believer. Ramadan is proof that you are strong. You wake up when others sleep. You pray when others relax. You sacrifice comfort. You already have discipline. English is just another habit. If you can fast, you can speak. Start telling yourself, I am becoming fluent. I am confident. I am improving every day. Confidence grows when you take action, not when you wait. Now imagine this. E-Day arrives. You completed 30 fasts, and you also completed 30 days of English practice. Your pronunciation is clearer. Your vocabulary is stronger. Your confidence is higher. This Ramadan, don't only change spiritually, change mentally, change personally, change professionally. 30 days, 20 minutes daily, lifetime improvement. Hi everyone, thank you for learning with me today. If you are serious about improving your English this Ramadan, like this video, subscribe to Learn English Audiobook, and start today. Not next week, today. Ramadan Mubarak to you and your family. May this month bring you peace, progress, and powerful English confidence.